Hello there, internet people. In this video, I'll show you how to make a realistic bent propeller for a crashed aircraft, like this 1/32 scale Spitfire from Revell. Now, the thing is, when an airplane crashes into the ground without the landing gear down, the plane will be damaged, especially the propeller, which might be bent as it's probably still spinning when the aircraft hits the ground. And as you can see here, the propeller is quite stiff, it won't budge much. However, I will show you a neat trick how to bend the propeller without breaking it. All you need is a candle like this and you're pretty much good to go. What you do is that you simply heat up the propeller blade for a few seconds and then you apply some force on the propeller blade. You might have to do this a couple of times, as one round of heating up the plastic might not be enough to make it bendable. Now, as you can see here, the plastic is quite hard and not super cooperative, so I'll have to heat it up again. Mind you, I am quite nervous of breaking this thing, but as long as you take your time, you heat it up well, and you bend the propeller in small increments, you should be fine. But be careful of this. Also, you should be quite careful not to overdo it, because if you bend it too far, it could be quite difficult getting it back into the shape that you prefer. Here I'm just checking if the blade is realistically able to rotate around the fuselage of the plane, and if it's still able to pass under the plane, and check if I have to bend it any further. I think I'm actually going to call this good enough, and then I'm going to move on to the next blade. This is quite a tedious process, so you might want to get your favorite piece of elevator music and then just repeat the process. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. One bent and damaged Spitfire propeller. Now put it back on the front of the engine where it's supposed to be, give it a few test spins perhaps, and that's it. There you go. Hope you liked this tutorial. Please leave a like if you did, and thank you very much for watching. Bye. Oh, and by the way, there are more videos coming up on this diorama, so stay tuned for that. Bye. Again.